Hi everyone, this is Ashish Kal here. I'm really excited today. Today is a special day, by the way. It's my birthday, and I thought I'll just come online and thank every one of you for the lovely wishes that you have sent across on this special day. I came into this world. I'm blessed by so many of you have been wishing me and giving me the blessings. It's really amazing, really excited. And I thought, why should I not give you back something? Okay, so I'm giving back away three free books that I've written on technical analysis, three free copies of that. But you have to do just one thing. What you have to do is you simply have to write down on Twitter, tag me at the rate Kailashish, mention what did you learn and your experience with AKTG. AKTG is Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. So what you have to do, you simply have to go on Twitter, tag me at the rate Kailashish and explain what did you learn from AKTG and how was your experience. My team will select three top tweets, whatever it is, and they will share across, they will get the address and details and share across signed copy of books, Effective Trading in Financial Markets in Technical Analysis to you, signed by me. And it has been very well received across the globe. We have sold amazing copies in London, in US, and also in India. So if you want these copies, you simply have to tag it across. And this is for me to just appreciate and show a gesture of appreciation that for the blessings that each one of you have showered upon me. And it's simply amazing. To make it more lucrative, we are also extending for 3 days till 10th of July. We are extending the early bird offer on our mentorship program, which is starting on 17th of July. So grab that opportunity. And I'm really excited to meet each one of you on 17th and talk about my entire experience that I'm going to share across for next 3 to 4 months, that how to become a finance trader. You will be learning so many things out of that. I'm so excited for that as well. And also on any of our advisory services, you can get special offer rates. You simply have to call on 9920422202, and my team will send across special rates to you for the advisory services that we have, which is again valid only till 10th of July. So ensure you grab this opportunity from starting today till 10th of July. And before closing out, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's a blessed day. It's a wonderful experience, and it's a blissful experience for me as a journey, as a life, and as a trader. And it wouldn't have been possible without each one of you, because only I enjoy talking because you are there to listen out to me. If you wouldn't have been there, there is no point for me to do all these things that I am doing, so many webinars that I'm conducting. So really thank you. And let me see what you have to say about AKTG on Twitter at the rate Kailashish, so that you can get your copy of the book exactly signed by me, and you are going to really enjoy reading it. And I'm going to ensure I personally clarify your doubts, queries that you might have when you are reading that book across. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful time. I'm having one. Hope you also have yours. Thank you very much.